Today I have a new electric kettle from ELECHOMES, which is perfect for tea, coffee, or even instant soups. This electric kettle from ELECHOMES features a gooseneck design with a crystal lid. It has a variable temperature control with 12 settings, a stainless steel body, and, as I mentioned before, the elegant crystal lid top. This holds 1.2 liters of water and features an anti-slip handle that stays cool to the touch. It has variable temperature control with a keep warm function, so it can stay warm for about 8 hours at temperatures below 190 degrees Fahrenheit and stays hot for 30 minutes at temperature above 190 degrees. The highest it goes to is 212. That's your standard boiling temperature. Of course, you can manipulate that temperature however you please. Here you go, that's a better view of it from the front. And here is the back. Alright, so to clarify on the buttons, up here we have the LED display screen. We have the keep warm button. Now we have the temperature button. It's actually right here. The plus and minus, you can turn the temperature up or you can turn the temperature down. And here we have the on-off button right here at the bottom. So just press this. And make yourself some hot water for tea, coffee, or even an instant soup. Alright, I do want to mention that this does come with an instruction manual that is very handy and tells you how to boil the water if you're a bit confused, and important safeguards to look at, and what each button does. Now let's put some water in it and see what happens. So first you just place the kettle on its boiler right here and plug it in. Then you fill it up with the water, as much water as you desire, and press the on button. You'll hear the beep and then press one more time for it to get started. The on-off button will turn red, and that's how you know it's in the boiling process. So as we climb up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for this to get ready, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. This has a very attractive design with a smooth matte finish. There is an auto shut-off button, so when the water boils, there's no more water in the pot. And the lid features a safety lock. It's getting a little loud now, since it is boiling. You can see the numbers are climbing up. Rather quickly, actually. I'm kind of impressed. I'm going to turn it off. And we're going to pour some water. Alright, that was fast and hot water for tea or making any type of instant soup, maybe even an oatmeal. And this would be great for an office, so you can keep your hot water, tea, drip coffee, or soup at your desk. Also, this is great for your home since it's a lot safer than leaving water on the stove to boil and having to catch the tea kettle, whistles, or just forgetting about it and letting the pot boil dry. It's also nice and has a nice and sleek design which would fit any type of decor in your home. So that is all we have today on the ELECHOMES electric kettle. Please check the description section for more information. Thanks for watching.